This is Brittni Guthrie Productions. Hello, how are you doing? I am excited to show you guys what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you guys how to do this eye look. I mean, it's definitely not something you're going to wear to work. I probably would, but you know, to each their own. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to do one eye, and then I'm going to show you the other eye, and I'll see you right quick.
Break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag 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 it up.
So I have one eye done. This is what I did, but I'm gonna walk you through what I did over here. So first of all, I'm gonna take Painterly Paint Pot. It's like a base for your eyes. It's from MAC, and I'm gonna take this concealer, dirty concealer brush, whatever, and I'm gonna like kind of carve out my eyebrow and then bring it down, and then I blended mine out with my fingers, just really lightly. Don't put a lot of pressure. You don't want like some saggy ass eyes when you get old. You know what I'm saying? You're going to put a base color on top. So I'm just gonna take this, like, it's like a cream. This is a Stila palette. I think it's the Mind one, but it's just a basic cream color. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid to create, or to set my base. Next, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from Anastasia. It's just one that comes in one of the palettes. And I'm going to take the same Mind palette that I took, and I'm going to actually mix these two together, and then I'm going to focus on this one. So I'm going to mix those just to like get the blending shade, and then I'm going to mix them both and really deepen my crease, okay? Okay. I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to use a MAC 219 brush, and I'm going to dip it into that orange color and kind of deepen it up. I'm going to take something from a different palette. I'm going to take the Prism palette, or yeah, you was right. Alright, so I'm going to take this orange color. It's like a really deep orange. And I'm going to take the same MAC 219. It's called Saturn. And then that's going to really make it pop. I always drag it out to a wing because I look cuter in a wing. Like what? Everybody look cuter in a wing in my opinion. Smoke that shit out, bitch. Girl, I'm going to take the same MAC 219, okay? Because we recycle here. Same Prism palette. And I'm going to take this like brown, but it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's not like a true brown. I can't explain it. But this one's called Parallel. And I'm going to focus that in my deep crease. And we're going to actually make like a spotlight kind of deal. You know what I'm saying? And you're just going to keep blending, girl. Just keep blending. You got it. Honestly, eyeshadow looks are mostly spent blending. I'm hopping from a lot of palettes. I'm sorry. But I'm going to take this. It's a highlight palette from Sephora. And I'm going to take the white one, like the whitest one. I don't think it has a name. A luminizing palette, I guess. I don't know. A little concealer brush, and I'm actually going to spray it a little bit with some setting spray. I'm just going to use Maybelline's Master Fix. It's like a Fix Plus, but for, you know, cheap-ass people like me. So I'm going to just lightly set that on the center of my eyeball to make a spotlight. And I think that pretty much did it for me. Pretty simple. But blending it out to make it look more natural is kind of the harder part. I'm going to take my Z palette. And I'm just going to take a random one. This is a Sephora one. It says made in Italy. And it's just a cream. And I'm going to use that as my highlight because we're going to have a lot of like shimmery going on. And so I don't want to be like overly like lit. I'm going to take this little packing brush and I'm going to put that on my highlight. We're going to start on the inner corner. I just did my concealer and kind of set it. Just because I didn't want fallout from the dark colors, but I don't really mind it for the lighter colors because it's kind of on purpose. Firstly, I'm going to take this little domed brush. This is called Mermaid. It is a Makeup Geek color. It is beautiful. And so I'm just going to diffuse it around. I'm going to add a little bit over here because I don't know why that turned out so blue in this one. Okay. But this is a Makeup Geek color as well, and it's called Lemon Drop. It's a really pigmented yellow, so if you're looking for one, I'm gonna actually take this like random brush. It's like a neon green though. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it's called Sphere. Sphere? Yeah. Sphere. And I'm gonna like kind of like pat that right in the inner corner. I'm gonna add a little bit more over here. Take this little baby brush and I'm going to spray it with, I almost sprayed it with e.l.f. setting, or the brush cleaner. Don't ever do that, dude. I literally, like, my eyes would not stop watering because it's a brush cleaner. It's not a setting powder. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. The highlight palette that we went into earlier, the white one. And I'm going to dip that little brush in there. And I'm going to put that right in the inner corner. Make it really highlight. Yup. I'm going to take this same brush, okay? And I'm going to just bring it onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the other side, the more dense side, and go back into the parallel color, the darker color, and connect that to the outer corner. Smoke it out.
I just fucking ruined that shit.
So I just got done with my eyeliner. I'm going to do my lashes and the rest of my face off of camera, but I'm going to wait for blush, highlight, and lips to show y'all. So wait on it. Wait on it. Okay, so now I'm baking. I got everything else done. I'm going to dust all of it away. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's so rubbed off, like you can't even see. I'm pretty sure it's called Margin. I'm pretty sure. But it looks like this. Beautiful color. I dig it. I really do. It goes with like every look, but I feel like it's really gonna make this one like pop. And it's the Sephora one. Yes. Yeah. And then I'm gonna swirl it on there. And I usually stop it like right halfway before getting all the way there, because if you do it all the way, it can look super like, I don't know, like you're trying way too hard with the highlight. You go out and you're like, damn bitch, that highlight, it's gleaming. You can see it from the other side of the room. And that's the kind of shit I like to be on. Let's be honest. So once you are caked the fuck up, we are going to... Yup. Okay, let's line these bitches, girl. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, I told you them lips was gonna bring it together. Girl. Oh. Ew. Blush pot. It's kind of like a neutral nude. It's very light for me, so I'm gonna focus it on the middle. So obviously, I'm just a glossy bitch. I love my lip gloss. My lip gloss always gotta be popping. From Soap and Glory, I love this shit. This shit is bomb as fuck. It's a very clear sheer, like no glitter, nothing. It's just a gloss, and it plumps them, and it gives it that like tingle. I live for it. Girl, this is the finished look. I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like very summer vibes, but like it's definitely not something that you want to wear to work or nothing, but I love it. I feel really cute in it. And if you guys try it, you will too. But subscribe, follow me in all the social media down in the description bar. And I will see you bitches later. Thank you for watching.